guys, in front of me is REALME Narzo 70, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select System, and here you will notice Backup, just mark it. And now if you wish to activate your backup, you have to mark info that you wish to backup. So in my case it's both photos and videos. Let's mark, along with other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, app and app data, and messages. So let me mark it as well. Now just mark confirm, and that's it. If you wish to customize your backup a bit, just mark manage backup, and that's it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.